in action.
She's doing all the videoing and she's going to edit it later, aren't you, Heidi?
Yeah. We got lawn, folks. It's TifTuf. Yes, let's do it, bro. Let's do it.
Yeah, so Heidi done a really good job there. Now, I didn't have much time to muck around with the surface here. I just gave it a level the morning before. It already had the irrigation put in. And basically, we've just put it down, so a bit of cutting that so the sprinklers could get through. And we went from basically the front of the house to the back. Heidi was having a lot of fun filming this one and mucking around. Now, as we put it together, we just butt up the edges nice and neatly and make sure that we do it in a brick pattern so we don't have like a line of the lines between the grass because that would create a rut. So yeah, we just got straight into it. This only took us about half an hour, I reckon, and it came together really well. It's 80 square meters of TifTuf, starting to look good there. Nonny and Grumps came along, that was great, and we had a lot of fun mucking around. And got to really thank Sunnyside. They supplied the turf. Sunnyside Instant Lawn. In South Australia, they're a Lawn Solutions member, and look, TifTuf is the absolute alpha grass. As you can see, Grumps is doing some cutting there. You just lay it over the concrete there and just cut into it, and it come together really well. Now, watering straight away, we did a good 20-minute water of the area, and just to get it going, and we kept the water up for the whole week. 3 times a day, 6 AM, 12 PM and 3 PM at 15 minutes each zone. There's 2 zones there. Then straight, we didn't linger at my place, we went straight to Mick's, and as you can see, we're making sure that we're getting the brick pattern here. That's why Grumps is cutting that little bit. And this is nearly 300 square meters, this area, so it was quite a bit of work. And it took us about 2 hours, and right at the end here we just cut some little strips just to make it fit. And as you can see, the area come together really well. Now the grass really held up well too, because that was on the pallet for 4 days. It's got nothing to do with the supply, that was to do with our schedules. So this was done on the 23rd of September, Saturday. And same for Mick, big water. He's got 3 zones. And basically he's going to be doing the same watering regime as me. Look, not too much pallet burn there. It was starting to turn a little bit, but honestly it was really good quality. If we did it 2 days before, you know, it would have come together really well. Thanks for watching Lawnporn, and watch out for our next video, because I'm going to put some treatments down after a week's use. Right, and look, yeah, still moving, still doing all sorts of crazy things just to get prepared. We're still moving, it's nuts. So sorry for the quick video, but see you in the next one.